basement screen. Basically, a lot of vans have a bed roughly 31 inches high, and they have a basement for a lot of storage of things. So this has a cover on the top, which can be easily removed. Alright, so this is a no-seam screen. The covers themselves are available in gray, white, black, or beige, and this is beige. This is a no-seam screen. It has a 3-inch frame on it and attaches velcro under the gasket like all of our screens do. The bottom actually has a sweep with a magnet strip that seals to the bottom sill plate just under the floor. Okay, there's your magnet strip right there. Now this particular screen and cover, you can roll up this way. It has spots to hold the actual bottom cover up. Like so. It has a velcro on the back. You can strap it, stick it to there, and then stick it to the top here. Or you can separate this piece. Well, you can fold it this way if you just want to access the bottom, or you can completely remove it. This is a separating zipper, and so it has actually 6 separating zippers. 1 in the middle, 1 in the top, 2 on the left, and 2 on the right. The top you can unzip as well. You can fold it this way. And really the main purpose is you can access and cover all your stuff in your basement, your bikes, whatever it is, your grill, your lawn chairs, all that kind of stuff. And from the bed, you have a clear view out the back. And if you want to leave your doors open at night and you want to cover this, you want privacy, it comes with the Velcro on cover that I took off at the beginning. These are available for all of our high roof vans we make, Transit, ProMaster, and Sprinter. And like I said, 4 different colors for the Aqualon covers, the same as the covers that come for the zipper screens. With the zipper down the middle, and the whole screen, the frame is removable from the Velcro. And let me do that for you right now. Zip this back up. And the zipper, you can remove each panel by the zippers as well. Right? So it has and that's our patented Velcro under the gasket installation method. It takes a little bit to initially get it in, but you can easily install and remove your screen in less than a minute. Fold it up, store it, whatever you want to do. It's not in your way, and it's there when you